Right, let's launch Pinball FX for the first time. Pinball FX is available on the Epic Games Store. We have just downloaded it to take a look at it, see what it's like. And we'll see whether it lives up to the hype, because we do love a good pinball game. Remembering the pinball machines, playing on them in the 90s and early 2000s. Latest game is out. Press any button to start. Ooh, end user license agreement. So we can read through all that, obviously. It is in early access at the moment, and once we click accept, we can start the game. You need to accept the privacy policy to use online services, so we'll accept that. So that we can get online. Pinball FX is still in early access at the moment, so while it is, we will try it out to see whether it's worth investing in the game once it comes out. And we get a nice welcome, so welcome to Pinball FX, Digital Pinball Evolved. We released as an early access game, so we would like to invite you on a journey filled with constant updates of features and brand new awesome pinball tables. Your feedback will shape the future of the game, so please feel free to tell us anything about your experience, what's great, what's not so great, what's missing. We hope that you will enjoy your stay and our work together to create the ultimate pinball experience. We wish you the highest scores and the biggest jackpots. Have fun! So we'll continue. Welcome to Pinball FX. On this page, at the bottom right of the screen, you will find all the latest news from the games, which includes new table releases, new events, and more. Let's play. Switch to the My Tables screen with the left mouse button and select the free table to begin playing. So if we go on My Tables, on this page you can find all the tables. You can play various daily tables for free, or you can play any of the tables which are included in your pinball pass or the tables you bought. Well, we've not bought any yet, so we'll continue. You can use various switches and filters to find the table category you're interested in the most. Select the filters you desire by pressing the left mouse button, then select the table you want to play. Select one of the daily free tables and press play to enter the mode selection menu. So we can see there's loads of new ones here that we seemingly can't access, that you buy using tickets, which we don't have. And calls Jurassic Park, Star Wars, we've got plenty on here. Seems like we've got, well no, that's, that one is the daily table then, clearly. Williams Pinball. And as you can see, there's lots of tables available already, but clearly we would need some tickets. So if we go back there a sec so we can have a look around, there is Pinball Royale, which you can't have access to, tournaments, events, collectibles, shop. So it is in early access, so there isn't an awful lot that we can do at the moment, including accessing any of these other things. We have literally got access to My Tables at the moment, and there's at least one daily free table you can play on each time. So the daily table limits are, you can only play the game in classic mode, scores will not be posted to leaderboards, and no collectibles can be unlocked. Otherwise we'd have to click purchase, so I wonder if we click on purchase what happens. At the moment nothing, so I'm guessing that's not finished yet. Leaderboards, if we load them up, there are some people already on the leaderboards, so we might have to investigate how we can purchase tables. But we can of course play it, but it seems at the moment in the early access that you will be limited on the whole to just one table per day to check out. So that's our first look at Pinball FX. It's a beefy download of about 16 gigabytes, so I would say just for the one table access you might think it's not worth it, although it does look pretty cool. So in the next video we are going to take a look at the first daily table and see how things go, so stay tuned for more Pinball FX videos and we'll see you shortly.